Theta Digital Money is a decentralized video conveyance network with its own blockchain, intended to invigorate channel sharing. Video conveyance networks right now experience the ill effects of unfortunate dispersion in less evolved nations, expensive establishment, and a unified gadget. Likewise, Theta considers the current framework caught off guard for the developing requests that it will look because of the developing execution of 4 Kelvin, 8 Kelvin computer-generated simulation, and other high-level turns of events, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Theta organization is $0.90, and Theta is as of now positioned No. 49 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Theta organization is $895,336,016.73, with a market cap of 1 billion Theta. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 2 cents in its ongoing worth. During the last month, the cost of Theta has expanded by 16.57%, adding an enormous typical measure of 15 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Theta organization costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Theta organization will be $1.12. The most extreme level that the Theta cost can reach is $1.29. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.17. Possible return for capital invested. 43.3% Theta value conjecture for May 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Theta organization toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Theta pace of 93 cents in May 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 84 cents and at 96 cents individually. Possible return for capital invested. 7.8% June 2023. Theta organization value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Theta cost in June 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 92 cents, while the greatest could reach 99 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Theta organization may be around 97 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 11.1% Theta value estimate for July 2023. Crypto examiners have checked the value vacillations of Theta organization in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Theta rate they anticipate may be around $1.01 in July 2023. It can drop to 96 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be $1.04. Likely return for money invested. 15.6% August 2023. Theta organization value figure around mid-year 2023. The Theta cost will be exchanged at $1.03 by and large. August 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Theta organization worth to $1.09. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 98 cents in August 2023. Expected return on initial capital investment. 21.1% Theta value gauge for September 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Theta organization costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2023, $1.07. The most reduced and top Theta rates may be $1.03 and $1.13. Likely return for capital invested. 25.6% October 2023. Theta organization value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Theta cost will be around $1.10. In October 2023, the Theta organization cost might drop to at least $1.06. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.18 in October 2023. Likely return for capital invested. 31.1% Theta value estimate for November 2023. Having broke down Theta organization costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Theta rate could arrive at a limit of $1.23 in November 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $1.09. For November 2023, the determined normal of Theta organization is almost $1.13. Likely return for capital invested. 36.7% December 2023. Theta organization value figure around mid-2023. The Theta organization cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.17. Crypto experts expect that in December 2023, the Theta cost could change somewhere in the range of $1.12 and $1.29. Expected return on initial capital investment. 43.3% Theta Organization Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Theta Organization in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Theta Organization will be around $1.64. The greatest expected Theta cost might be around $1.96. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.70 in 2024. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Theta Organization in 2025, Theta is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.38 and $2.89, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.46. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Theta Organization and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Theta cost could drop to $3.63, while its greatest can reach $4.12. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $3.76. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of Theta Organization by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Theta costs are normal in 2027, $6.27 and $5.11. By and large, it will be exchanged at $5.30. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of Theta Organization. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Theta cost will be around $7.70. It could drop to at least $7.44, yet it actually could reach $8.88 all through 2028. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Theta Organization. It is assessed that Theta will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $10.38 and $12.91 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $10.77 during the year. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2030. Digital currency experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Theta Organization's cost. The year 2030 not entirely settled by the greatest Theta cost of $17.82. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $15.26. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $15.80. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of examination of the Theta Organization cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Theta cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for no less than $23.30, with the conceivable greatest tops at $26.36. By and large, you can anticipate that the Theta cost should be around $24.09 in 2031. Theta Organization Value Forecast 2032. Digital money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Theta Organization's cost. The year 2032 not entirely set in stone by the most extreme Theta cost of $40.58. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $33.46. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $34.66. Theta Keyworth. Theta digital currency comprises of two sections. The first is a video conveyance organization.